going to tell you the privilege of being an IBP member, that is premium member. Premium members business category will be always reserved. Premium members will get 90 seconds for their self-introduction. Once in a 2 month, there will be give and gain talk session with 6 to 8 premium members, and it will be hosted by the IBP founder. 6-minute feature presentation, opportunity on rotation basis, profile interview, talk show, shorts of premium members with IBP News YouTube channel, which will help them to promote their business category. With so many gifts you are getting with the premium membership, so consider becoming the premium member. Remember, we organize our meeting first Friday of every month, and here participants are coming from all over across Mumbai city, Thane and Navi Mumbai. Now, special request to all our premium members, kindly pay your venue fees 2 months in advance. We will share the GPay mobile number on IBP premium member WhatsApp group, so it can allow us to have easy transactions. Over to Sonia.
Now we are going to start a referral sharing and business collaboration session. We are going to start a referral sharing and business collaboration session. Dear members, if you have any reference for your fellow members, please mention their names while talking along with the serial number in Excel sheet. Parallelly, if you are interested to work in collaboration with any of your fellow members, also mention their names. It will help us to keep records, and accordingly, we can analyze the performance of the meeting. Members, if you have done any business with your fellow members, kindly mention their names with the thank you slip amount. Also, if you have done any face-to-face meetings with your fellow members, kindly mention the names and any testimonial you have for your fellow members. Now, we can start our referral sharing and collaboration session. Just wanted to point out that we had kept a face-to-face meeting at mall, and so you can include that for your one-to-one. You can mention that also as a one-to-one also. So now I'm starting with premium members. If anyone has done one-to-one and any business received, so please mention it, and please mention the amount also, that what business we have received and given. So let's start with Ajay Madane. He is not here, I guess. Amresh Khan.
Hi, I just introduced myself before. I was observing Mr. Ratnakar, what he said was very brilliant of him. And that's the fact that the gaps between us should go away, right? So there's a big gap. The gap should disappear. Anyway, okay, I would like to ask everything from everyone. Of course, I'm an interior designer. Anybody wants to get designs done, construction done, I'm there. Okay, I would like to speak to the gentleman. I forgot his name. I'm very bad at this thing. Names. He told me about the solar, and he said he's approached Hiranandani. Well, he doesn't know I am working for Hiranandani, 2200 flats, interiors, Bhokarpada, and my site's also going on there. So when you mentioned that name, I said I would like to talk to you about this. So 1 year, and for the CCTV, I think him I would like to get. Yeah, and the rest things I can discuss with him later on when I call him or something. Because here we can have a short speech, not much. About Hiranandani, I was very interested because I'm going this week again. My another project is starting there. So I'll call him there if he can come and let me know how he could be helpful. And the doctor, of course, that's personal. That's beyond business. The doctor I would like to see for my purpose. I would like to contact him also. That's it. And yeah, about that lady last time, I don't know, I got in touch. The granite. Last time I think so, I told you, right?
Yeah.
I would like to get in touch with you. I traveled. I was 2 months abroad. So I'll call your names here. No? This time I'll just take your names and.
Premium member last name, Bandana. Bina. Premium member list में last.
last, no?
Premium member.
Yeah. You know, I'm just seeing. I don't know the names, but I'm seeing the business what they do. So I will get in touch with these people. Okay. The most we can get out of each other.
Yes.
That's what we can do. Okay. Thank you very much.
अच्छा, एक काम करो, serial एक अपना तो नाम बोल के सीरियल नंबर बोल दो, चार्ट का सीरियल नंबर बोला एग्री करो।
So your name, your serial number, and then your given answer.
संजय ये से महाराष्ट्र से तो आगे चला
My name is Hiral Pancholi, serial number 16. थैंक यू नोट कमल जी की तरफ से 2200 रुपया। गुप्ता जी जो उनकी तरफ से एज अ विजिटर आए हुए जो कमल जी के थ्रू ही मुझे मिले, तो थैंक यू अगेन। मैं वापस कमल जी को बोलूँगा 2700 रुपया। फिर रेणु जी की तरफ से ऑलरेडी ऑर्डर लाइनअप में है 1500 रुपये के आसपास। थैंक्स टू रेणु जी कम। एंड रोशनी की तरफ से 500 रुपीज नियर बाई, थैंक्स।
Total
500 रोशनी की तरफ से टोटल नहीं किया हुआ, वन बाय वन। आज काफी अच्छे गेस्ट आए हुए हैं, जैसे मिस्टर सुरेश दर्जी के साथ मेरा काफी अच्छा कोलैबोरेशन होएगा। मालिया के साथ आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम 2 साल बाद वापस शी इज माय वेरी ओल्ड फ्रेंड, बट आई लॉस्ट माय फोन, तो थैंक्स टू सुबोधो आपकी मेरे साथ मिले और हमारा काफी अच्छा कोलैबोरेशन हो रहा है। सर के साथ आज मेरा बातों में काफी बातचीत हुई, तो पर्सनली उन्होंने बोला हुआ है कि आप मिलो, कॉन्सेप्ट आपका अच्छा है, लेट्स डिस्कस मोर। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक्स सुबोधो।
माइक दे रहे लोग बोलेंगे सीरियल नंबर
It is for Nikita Delia. She is into immigration. So I'll get you connected to Kalpana Pudha. She is into air ticketing and may I get collaborated. And your ask was again with HR. So I'll get you connected with HR. Okay. And with Hiral Pancholi, we will do collaboration work. That's that we have planned out. Thank you.
It's okay.
Hello, one second. My reference with Mr. Amresh, I have a reference for you. And Jinnah sir, I have a reference for you. We will have connected. And naturopathy guide. Naturopathy, जैसे ये you are from naturopathy? I have a reference for you. Thank you.
Mr. Bhanuprakash.
I would like to connect to Mr. Chatterjee and pass the word referring to Roshni and Ajay Madani sir. Sorry, thank you so much.
I have already given reference to Ajay Madani sir and Sonia madam for travel insurance for my upcoming group for Vietnam. Thank you.
So great to know all these businesses, and so basically I am working with lots of builders and housing societies and across India many corporates also. So in builders you can have one-to-one and just understand each other's business, and in the housing society also there is. And even the structural audit also, I have one society where I think connected to, and Amresh Khanji really like to be. We are working with the villas also. So just now we are doing villa and culture, and there around 24 villas are there. So they are all angry. So I think connection over there. So thank you very much. And immigration person again, I think taking a smart move to UK, if you know. I can connect you with them. They are also similar, but in a very big measure. So, sorry? Yeah, only in the UK. Okay, so you can collaborate well. They are very. I don't have UK, but I can collaborate. Yeah. Thank you very much. Once again, I'm Bhavesh Gandhi. My number is the last one, which is in red. Okay, Bhavesh Gandhi.
Hi, I would like to first start with speaking something very honestly. As Mr. Tankar pointed out, that it is very, very important for us to meet and know each other one to one. Unless we know our strengths and weaknesses and your strengths and weaknesses, it is impossible to refer. And these refers actually lead to such small amounts. That is not actually what we are looking for. We're looking for growth in our businesses, not 1,500, 2,000, 20,000, something like 20 crores or something. Substantial growth in our business. That's what our objective is. But unfortunately, I'm extremely sorry. After the last meeting, I'll be honest, please don't mind my saying this, I contacted at least 7 to 8 people from the list that we were given, and not one was available for one-to-one meeting. They kept on postponing. And there were some people, I don't want to name, but I had immediate reference from them who wanted the work to be done as ASAP. But they said, वो आएगा तो मैं बात कराता हूँ, and I called them 3 to 4 times, but they never called me back. And the project went away. Small projects, but a small start. So please understand what we can give each other, and then we can do. And what I need is basically to contact some good startups, good small manufacturer MSMEs who want to do marketing and actually grow. If some of you can put me on to these people, I can be on their team, growing their businesses, leading them with marketing and other expertise. Somebody mentioned about the HR, this gentleman, you know some people in HR and yeah. So probably you could have helped to me to contact me with, put me into touch with a lot of company HRs and marketing. So which who
before this I was into FMCG, so I'll get you connected to one of the guys who is into whey protein manufacturer. I'll get you connected with.
Yes, somebody who requires all that. And please let us meet, understand what we can give and what we can take from each other. So I think next time we'll be able to do much better business in terms of actual business. Thank you. After 7 contacts, I gave up actually. I actually gave up. I said, I don't think anybody will. Yes, I will. Some of them you know also.
So last month one-on-one did with Anuji and Hiraji. It was very good and we got opportunity also with both the business opportunity for each other generated. And one guest today, Mr. Raviraj, and definitely it's going to be useful for many. Then I am having thankful note for Mr. Hiran, business of 5,100, Mr. Ratnakar Chaudhary ji 5,000, Sonia ji 1,350, Anu 360, Veena Srivastav, thank you, 1,400, Subroto ji 1,200, and Satish ji 5,000, around 19,000 to 20,000 business. So thank you so very much, and definitely, Sanjay ji, extremely sorry we were traveling, but I was in touch with you, and I am today also I regretted for that. This month I am going to meet Veena Srivastav ji, Sanjay ji, Renu Gupta ji, and Ratnakar ji. Yes, we can have a big fix. Thank you once again. I got another repeat order from Veena Srivastav ji. Thank you so much.
It's me again and again. So, since this is my first time here and I have made a whole list of people, I have a reference for you, ma'am. I will connect, she's a friend of mine, I will connect her to you for international work abroad. Yeah? And I would like to connect with use for travel for visas for my students. We offer student visas as well, right? Yeah, so we'd like you to help them in the student visa process. Ma'am, we would like you to help our students with some grooming and makeup. So I have like a lot of things. So I will connect with you for some graphic design and maybe office vending machine. Yes, we might connect with you for a machine for our office. And yes, and then there are many more. Answer for brand marketing. Sanjay ji, I will connect with you for branding and marketing.
Sure, anytime.
Great. Thank you so much.
हेलो एवरीवन सबसे पहले तो मैं
Sorry. I haven't asked. I forgot I wrote it behind. I'm so sorry. I'm requesting for you to connect me to heads of schools and colleges for career growth programs, for introduction to how to become a pilot, and for any in the aviation field, those who want to get into that field, we will run career development programs for them and coaching classes. People from coaching classes, 10th, 12th, all of these. So if you can connect me to them, we will do career coaching for them and take this forward. Thank you.
मैं आपको कनेक्ट करवा सकता हूँ सिंगापुर इंटरनेशनल स्कूल, जहाँ की एडमिन है हमारी गरीबी लाइन, छत्रबुर्ज स्कूल, फिर कांदिवली में एसयूबी स्कूल, ऐसी काफ़ी स्कूल्स हैं जो इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर जहाँ पे स्पेंडिंग पावर ज़्यादा है, क्योंकि आपके बच्चे के लिए स्पेंडिंग पावर की ज़रूरत है, काफ़ी स्कूल
अभी भी मिल लेना, रियल से मिल लेना.
Captain, I would like to ask you a few students, especially after the 12th, or the 10th standard, would you also work with some people with dyslexia and other disabilities, not physical disabilities, but they can do ground level jobs or probably in flight also with like flight persons. They have been people who have been doing it.
We can connect for that. Definitely we can connect.
They are very good people. They have some kind of, but they are trained and they have paying capacities, but only they don't have opportunity, they don't know where to go.
We will connect for this. Definitely.
But I'm just want to know whether you work with them.
I have
Would
not
you be able
explored
to?
that yet, but we can explore. I have resources as a psychologist. I have resources that we
A different kind of approach probably is required to train them initially. But once they are trained, they are as good as anybody.
Yes, we can work with that. Definitely. Thank you.
सबसे पहले तो रत्ना जी को थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगी बिकॉज आई एम कमिंग फ्रॉम लास्ट 3 to 4 months, this is fourth month I think, but then because I was so busy with my ex works, because I am a beautician as well as a salon, I was not able to meet somebody like you. एक बार आया, एक बार जो बात की बस हो गया, but definitely from this month onwards sir, I will like to explore the connects because of course जितना ज़्यादा कनेक्शन होगा, जितना ज़्यादा नेटवर्किंग होगा, उतना ज़्यादा हम सब ग्रो करेंगे. सो टुडे दिस मंथ आई विल डेफिनेटली मीट रत्नाकर सर, आपसे मिलूंगी बिकॉज आपका जो बिजनेस आइडियाज है वो जरूर मेरे को कनेक्ट करेगा. सेकेंडली हीरोइन पंचोली सर से मिलूंगी. देन आई वुड लाइक टू मीट सूरज बाकले एंड देन श्रीधर मादिवाला, देन यस धनंजय जी को भी मिलना चाहूंगी. एक जो यस सर, तो इन लोगों से पक्का मिलूंगी और फोटो जरूर डालूंगी ग्रुप में. Sorry?
Your number.
My number is 29 Sangeeta Vishwakarma.
Okay, I already have.
Yeah. Thank you.
अभी को मिल जाना बोलो.
Yeah, अभी.
Captain अभी दिव्या.
हाँ, we had that was a wonderful time. I would like to say I am blessed to have a interview of pilot Aditi. And we had a wonderful time as well. And thank you so much Subrata ji for giving me such a wonderful experience. And for this I have kept this product exhibition, like these are the cosmetic product, and thank you right now. Now Ruplafani ma'am ने कुछ products 2600 plus के products दिए. So thank you so much. I must say, being an Indian, there is a urge for everyone. You should go and use an Indian product. Either a cosmetic, either a home care, whatever. We have all those platforms here. So I would like to request everyone start using Indian product if you really love your country. Thank you.
I have a reference for you, sir. I will contact you. And then here, of course, we are going to collaborate. I'm with a friend. Sorry. So, we contact. Sorry. अभी सुनाई दे गुप्ता सर मैं आपसे कांटेक्ट करूंगी और इवेंट से कोलैबोरेशन होगी बात की लगी अच्छा सॉरी आई हैव रेफरेंस विद माय फ्रेंड्स रन द कोचिंग सेंटर वंडरफुल थैंक यू
I did a one-to-one at mall with a couple of ladies. It was a wonderful meeting these ladies, and we shared about our work, and we did pass some references also. But the bonding was fantastic. We were there for 2 hours plus 2 hours more, and the meeting was not ending. We really had fun, but meeting outside this premises has a different bonding, and then you feel as if you know them for ages.
Here the business would be done, business generated.
Yeah. So I myself gave my reference to Anu because I've just recovered from my cancer treatment, and I was dying to eat bread. And she said she can make gluten-free and sugar-free bread, so she's bought it for me, and muffins also for me, and sugar-free chocolates. So I gave her that reference, and her chocolates are amazing. It's a testimony. It's amazing, and I really relished it. I told my daughter, "You are not eating, I'm eating it." I was so selfish, and thank you. She was. And then I gave one reference to Suraj. We both are collaborating, and he's fantastic with his work. And thank you slip to Suraj of 2,000 rupees. He gave me one small artwork to be done. That's it. I will contact sir for my maintenance of my hair. Thank you so much.
So again, good afternoon or good evening. Even I was a part of that mall one-to-one meet. Okay, so we had a couple of references being shared at that time. So in that even the lady from Ayushman sir, right? Anshuman sir. Even she was a part of it. She's a business development also, and Savli. Through her, Savli Dikshit, even through her also we got a good reference, and the now the thing is like the now business is about to get generated. Okay, so please come to such kind of face-to-face meeting. And the second, I want to give the testimonial to Manhar because she is right now the doctor for my hair and skin treatment. She has given result for my mom. Actually, my is some different condition, so she told that it will take some time for my results to come. So still my mom is asking, itna bhi kam jayega, khatam hoga. So I said I'll speak to her today about this. So she has given a fantastic result within a month's time. So her hair control has very good control.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, Nikita.
So my mother, she has a very good hair control. Like within a month's time, she gave a fantastic result. But now the remaining time, she wants to contact her again for the further listing. And she gave me also a skincare product which I'm not applying on my face because I'm very irregular about this. So maybe she's
Going to apply. And this time I'm not going to give you. Because you apply, then I'll give you.
So first I'm actually concentrating on my hair.
But it's improved a lot.
Yeah. But still there is a
I got time to
yes. So her products, and secondly I connected somebody we haven't done the one-to-one, but yes, even I am a professional chocolatier, so I can relate her work and her everything. So today we have purchased the products from her of 1300. So anything is there, then I will definitely, because this is the first time I have purchased the products from her. So I will definitely connect with her. Yeah.
सलाह तुम्हारी चॉकलेट मेरे चॉकलेट से ब्राउन ज्यादा क्यों?
No, that is not the competition.
competition नहीं है।
And sir, you gave me the reference.
Please pick up your phone.
No, actually, I did not know that it was your number.
Very difficult. Please.
I mean, actually, did not. Otherwise, I pick up all everyone.
I will try to talk to them. To do it's big, it's, and we are not looking for small.
Yes, yes, we will
You
collaborate.
will contact them, you will ask them the numbers.
हमने
The
nothing
numbers you will know how big it is.
Yeah, but I just don't know what we look for. That if they give us that thing, then we will be able to give the service to them. That power of attorney.
Yeah, you will of course.
And ma'am, I will definitely connect you because we have got the openings for the pilots and the people who are on the this airport also, the clerk and the lower level, they have also the openings for them.
Here's my card.
I'll send the number. More than the card.
Have any reference?
Madam.
तो ये आज एज ए विजिटर में आई हूँ, मैं निखिल शाह को थैंक यू बोलूँगी इससे बहुत सारे लोग देख लूँ, मैं बहुत अच्छी तरह से मैं जानती हूँ। तो अभी 1-to-1 करेंगे, फिर मेरा रेफरेंसेज एंड ऑल दिस थिंग होएगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच निखिल जी और सुबह।
देखिए फर्स्ट टाइम है, जानते हैं कि हाथ से हाथ मिलाएंगे तो एक ग्रुप बनेगा और रिजल्ट आ जाएगा, मुख्य में रिजल्ट अच्छा। क्योंकि मैं ग्रेजुएट को देना चाहूँगा अपनी तरफ से, हमने दुबई का प्रोग्राम किया है नवंबर दिसंबर में, हम लोग 4 मेंबर्स हैं, उसका कोटेशन दे दीजिए प्लीज। जिम में है जिनको भी सीनियर सिटीजन से काम है, म्यूचुअल फंड वाले, LIC वाले, मेरा एक बहुत बड़ा ग्रुप है जिसमें 400 से ज़्यादा रिटायर्ड पीपल्स हैं। जिनको भी होता है मैं एक मीटिंग अरेंज कर देता हूँ, उनसे बातचीत कर लीजिए। उस मीटिंग में आप लोग आ जाइए, म्यूचुअल फंड वाले आ सकते हैं, LIC वाले आ सकते हैं, इंश्योरेंस वाले आ सकते हैं, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस वाले आ सकते हैं। तो मीटिंग में अरेंज कर दूँगा, आप आपका बिजनेस वहाँ ग्रो कर सकते हैं, अच्छा चांस मिलेगा।
We have very good plans for senior citizens, health insurance and all that, so we can always connect you.
Senior insurance professional.
Yeah, so I'm into insurance.
ये मालूम है, नाम नहीं मालूम था तो मैं
सोनिया पंजाब।
तो कलावा में एक मीटिंग अरेंज का हॉल हमारे पास है, एक डॉक्टर हॉल है, हम उसमें मीटिंग ऑलरेडी अरेंज करते रहते हैं। आपको घर आ जाइए तो देख के आप आपके बारे में बताइए और क्या रिजल्ट आता है मिलेगा हम लोग बताइए।
आज हमारे बीच एक कैप्टन अदिति जी है, बड़ी खुशी हुई उनको देख के और यहाँ हमारे साथ है। मैं आपसे मिलना चाहूँगी और उसके साथ संजय माथुर जी, आपसे भी मैं 1-to-1 करना चाहूँगी। और थैंक यू स्लिप है अजय मदानी जी के लिए 1200 और सुब्रत जी के लिए 200। ऐसा
मेरा 200 और किसका
अजय मदानी
वही है, थैंक यू।
हाँ, और मैं मलाकर मीना जी से भी मिलना चाहूँगी, करना चाहूँगी और संगीता जी और आपके माँ देना चाहूँगी। ओके, थैंक यू।
Good afternoon once again, since it's my first time and we can collaborate with Anuji since I have cafe, so I want to invite you all for 1-to-1. Soon I will share my address also, and since we are manufacturers of heavy cookies and energy bars and pastas, gluten-free pasta, so we can collaborate with you. Thank you.
We'll try to organize one. Let's meet at more later.
Yes.
I'm CMA Sadanand Saraswade, serial number 8. Sonia, ये workman compensation में हो आप? Okay, because if this WLTC thing goes through, we'll need workman compensation, so we'll be in touch. Thank you.
morning everyone. Anum Kapoor here, serial number 4. So firstly I would like to thank everyone. We had met it in the mall. So Jaya ma'am was there, Nikita, Sonia ma'am, even Sonia's daughter, excellent person. I would love to meet her again. Sir was there, I was there. So thank you. Exchange of reference were there. और मैंने तो खूब सारे रेफरल लिए भी और दिए भी, उसी वक्त हो गया मेरा काम बहुत अच्छा. Yes. आज के लिए thank you slip is for 4,500. There's Jaya ma'am 725, Nikita 1,300, Suraj sir 500, Dr. Nikhil is there, Thakin is Roshni 300, Subratu sir also 300, and Dr. Mallar 250. And I would like to Molka be around 1,500. Yeah. And I would like to meet ma'am. I have a referral for you. I have a student. He has done his pilot course, but job इधर उधर भटक रहा है जॉब के चक्कर में. So और संजय माथुर सर को तो मैं ढूंढती रह गई लास्ट मंथ. तो सर से नंबर भी लिया, पूछिए आप. और पर वो पेपर मिसप्लेस ना.
तो लेट्स मीट करेंगे ना प्रोग्राम, लेट्स मीट एट मॉल, आप आ जाओ. 15-16 तो ना, इसमें ज़्यादा बिजनेस जनरेट.
I would love to meet. Okay. Definitely I'll connect with Hiral also. How can we connect with each other? सूरज सर के साथ मेरा कोलैबोरेशन चल रहा है, काम अच्छा. हमारा जब चल पड़ेगा तो बिग थैंक यू स्लिप्स विल स्टार्ट कमिंग. इट इज दैट वे. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much. My name is Suraj and my number is 30 on the list. So there are many people जिनसे मुझे मिलना है, जिसमें आदित्य सामंत हो गए, प्रशांत तलपड़े. I have a really good thing for you. मलिया चिश्ती जी से मिलना है. Then हिरल आहूजा, भावेश जी, then निकिता देरिया, रत्नाकर जी, सदानंद सर. I want to meet you, अमीश खान जी, if I'm not wrong, अमरेश खान जी, and Sangeeta Vishwakarma. Okay, so I want to thank Miss Jaya because actually उन्होंने मुझे सिर्फ एक ही बताओ तो एक ही रेफरेंस दिया था, जो रेफरेंस था आई बिलीव 10,000 का ओवरऑल. बट उसके बाद मुझे मेरा काम देख के उनके उस क्लाइंट ने मुझे और 2 काम दिए. अभी टोटल अराउंड पूरा अमाउंट तो नहीं आया, बट टोटल अमाउंट अगर बोलने जाओ तो इट्स 20. हाँ, अभी तो पूरा अमाउंट आया नहीं है. बट यस, सो या दैट्स डन. मोर फॉरली वो दोनों तीनों का भी काम ऑलमोस्ट हो गया विद इन दिस 2 weeks. थैंक यू.
Thank you to Dr. Nidhi. He introduced me for this IPP. I would like to connect with Sanjay sir, Asosai sir, and Sanjay Sanjay sir.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. लखनऊ मैडम से भी मुझे एक छोटा काम मिला था, and she has paid 2,500 for this. Actually, I wrote it, but
I wanted to give a testimony.
Yes.
I wanted to give a testimonial. I would have made you sit that.
First of all, I would like to thank Ratnakar sir for inviting me to this wonderful platform. There are some people whom I can share synergy with, so would like to meet them. Mr. Amresh Khan, Sadanand Saraswati, Sridhar ji, Meena Srivastava ji, and Jilu Gupta ji. And Captain Aditi, I know someone who can connect you with Goenka school, like she knows trustee of all, so I will try to connect you.
I think 50 or so.
अच्छा लगता है जब भी थैंक यू स्लिप का अमाउंट पढ़ते हैं, राइट? Okay, so I really have a testimonial for Suraj Bakle. I had given in just 2 days to make one nice video, which was my professional video, and he has given a fantastic job, so I really recommend his name. I would like to give some cross-referral to Mr. Ratnakar ji. I've already passed on the message to you, please read through it. Aditi ji, I would like to connect with you for some different purpose, but we would connect and take it further for your business, whatever way. And yes, nice products. What today you explained me. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so we have arranged this Let's Meet at Mall thing. So after this, like there will be a gap of 15 days. We'll be arranging another meeting, like Let's Meet at Mall, so in which around 10 to 15 people can come, and whoever first come first basis. And we can arrange it at some mall or maybe a cafe of Mira Laucha. She's got a wonderful cafe, so we can just organize that. Yeah, so once she becomes a premium member, then that will be that way. So, and the other thing is, I would like to give a thank you note to Sanjay Banerjee. He took his health insurance from me for an amount of 23,349. So, thank you, sir. And I would like to connect with yeah, so the meeting, the one-to-one meeting we had was with Nikita, Jaya Shinde, and Anuji, and Amalahan was there, and Komal Matija also was there. She did not come today, and it was really awesome. So yeah, I did mention. So it was really awesome, and all of us really enjoyed, and it was a good bonding between all of us. And another thing, I would like to connect with, second the name. Yeah, of course, Mr. Bhanu Prasad Gupta, as he had the senior citizen group, and also, you talk about dyslexia and all, right? Yeah, dyslexia and like learning disability. So like I would like to inform you that we have insurance for such children also. So I would like to have a one-to-one meeting with you so we can go ahead with that, And it's really something very useful because nowadays people don't consider, they are, not many companies are offering to autistic children and dyslexia children. But having insurance for them is really wonderful. So yeah, we are like to connect with you, sir. And that's it, I guess.
Okay, I just want to mention one thing. In the group I had put one, I'm looking for a doctor called a chiropractor. So Jaya gave me the reference of the doctor, Dr. Balakrishna. So he is one of the oldest doctor. He is an 80-year-old doctor, and I would really thank Jaya because I had spine issues past 13 years. And not a single doctor or physiotherapist has helped me to cure that issue. But this doctor in the 3 days at least he gave me the relief of 40 to 50%. And even for my mom also, she fell down during the lockdown and she started bending forward. So in that also now she is able to stand straight in 3 days. So now it's like he has given us some few continue the treatment. So we are just
That was a medication or the physical exercise?
No, he is a chiropractor. Basically, he adjusts the spine, your joints and everything. So he has a very different way of doing the chiropractor practice what the other doctors are doing. So if anybody has, even she had a vertigo issue or any issue you have related to your spine from your head till your toe, you can anytime connect with him. Please. He is a fabulous doctor. Thank you. Thank you, Jaya, for
Get into IBC also.
He's too.
Of course, Ratnakar-ji, one-to-one is pending.
Yeah.
हेलो,
थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम लूँगा मैं, ठीक। रेफरेंसेस की बात कर रहा हूँ। जया शिंदे जी, जस्ट नाउ इन योर प्रेजेंटेशन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट बुक का कवर का डिजाइन, सो मेरा सेल्फ रेफरेंस है, ओके। वी विल टॉक एट द टाइम ऑफ IT, we will talk about that. Mr. Sadanand, let us meet. I need to understand your category in detail, okay, so that I can refer you to my acquaintances rather, okay, which may generate more business for you, okay. सुरेश दर्जी, 2 ड्रेस सिलाना है भाई साहब, मिल लेते हैं, okay. Dr. Gupta, I have been using your medicines like calcium and all that, and you have made me at least 25 years younger rather. I am 45, you have made me. Nital Dedia, let us meet. Already talked with Nikita, okay. We will meet in Goregaon and I will try to generate some business for you. प्रशांत तलपदे, प्राइवेट इक्विटी के लिए मिलते हैं भाई, ओके, मतलब मुझे सीखना है तुमसे, ओके। मिस्टर श्रीधर, पेस्ट कंट्रोल, ऑलरेडी बात किया है आपसे, बराबर है, मेरे पास में काफ़ी है, मिल लेते हैं, ओके। अभी मिस्टर संजय माथुर ने और अमरीश जी ने जैसा कहा कि एक छोटा सा रेफरेंस भी किस तरह से बड़ा बदल सकता है, तो मेरा एक छोटा सा स्टोरी बताता हूँ, आप लोगों को शायद उसमें फ़ायदा होवे। मुझे एक बंदे ने, मैं हमेशा बोलते रहता था मेरा 1 मिनट प्रेजेंटेशन में कि मुझे 50 लाख के नीचे किसी ने भी रेफरेंस देने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, ओके। ये मेरे दिमाग की गांठ थी, लेकिन एक मेंबर ने मुझे 15,000 रुपये का रेफरेंस दिया, जिसमें मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आया। मैं इतना गुस्सा आया फ़ोन के ऊपर कि गाली गलौज तक बात हुई, लेकिन सामने वाला जिसने मुझे रेफरेंस दिया था वो उतनी ही शांति से बात कर रहा था कि नहीं, आप भले उनका काम मत करिए, लेकिन उनको एक बार मिल लीजिए। वो समझ ही नहीं रहा था और न मैं समझ रहा था, लेकिन वो पर्सनली मुझे मिलने आया जिसने मुझे रेफरेंस दिया था, और उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि आप इस व्यक्ति को मिल लीजिए। तो उसका मन रखने के लिए मेरे पास टाइम था, फिर भी मैंने 3 दिन के बाद का टाइम लिया और उस आदमी को मिलने को गया। वहाँ पे 3 साढ़े 3 बजे मैं जब मिलने को गया उस व्यक्ति को घाटकोपर में, मिलने के बाद में जब मैंने उनको मेरा प्रोफाइल दिखाया तो उन्होंने बताया, यार इतना बड़ा प्रोफाइल है तो आप मेरा छोटा काम करने के लायकात के ही नहीं, लेकिन आप बैठो। उन्होंने उनके दोस्त को वहाँ पे बुलाया, जिसका दोस्त डेवलपर था। वो डेवलपर आया, हम लोग रात को 2:30 बजे तक बैठे वहाँ, दोपहर को 3:30 बजे से रात को 2:30 बजे तक बैठे और 4.5 करोड़ रुपए का धंधा पहला जनरेट किया। ये छोटा सा, जो हम लोग को जो छोटा सा रेफरेंस आता है ना, उसमें से भी बहुत बड़ी चीज निकल सकती है। जैसा अभी इन्होंने कहा कि इन्होंने जो रेफरेंस दिया था उसके रेफरेंस से दूसरा रेफरेंस से उनको मिला, दैट इज कॉल्ड Tier 1 Tier 2 रेफरेंसेस, ओके। वो भी हम लोगों को करना चाहिए। हम लोगों को धंधा, मतलब मुझे अगर मेरी बात करेंगे तो मुझे आप लोगों से धंधा चाहिए ही नहीं, मुझे धंधा चाहिए आप लोगों के जो एक्वांटेंसेस है उनके पास से मुझे धंधा चाहिए। मतलब आपकी जो भी पहचान है और वो निकालना मेरा काम। जब तक मैं आपसे बात नहीं करूंगा तब तक ये बिजनेस निकल ही नहीं पाएगा। श्रीधर जी आपका हो गया, अजय बांदाने को एक मेरा सेल्फ रेफरेंस है, ओके। मणि अय्यर का तो मैंने आपको बताया, मणि अय्यर साहब को बता दिया। उनके लिए भी मेरा एक रेफरेंस है, भिवंडी का एक मिस्टर आशीष साबू करके। कैप्टन आदित्य आपका प्रज्ञा बुद्धि हाई स्कूल है गोरेगांव में, वहां पे मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करवा सकता हूँ। उनके जो मेन ट्रस्टी है वो मेरे दोस्त ही है, ओके। और जैसे मिलिंद माइटकर सर है, इनको मैं गया 10 साल से जानता हूँ, जो मेरे विजिटर है आज की तारीख में, इनको मैं गया 10 साल से जानता हूँ। और लास्ट 10 इयर्स में उनसे मैंने जो सीखा है कि हाउ टू कन्वर्ट जो रेफरल है उसको बिजनेस में किस तरह से कन्वर्ट करना है, आई थिंक ही इज द बॉस इन दैट। मतलब जो विजिटर्स भी आते हैं ना हमारे दूसरे प्रोग्राम में, वो विजिटर्स के पास से भी वो धंधा लेके आ जाते हैं। जैसे अपना हिरल है, हिरल का भी एकदम स्पेसिफिक है सर, जो मानना है एकदम स्पेसिफिक है, उदाहरण देके 1 मिनट का प्रेजेंटेशन दे देता है और उसे बहुत ही बिजनेस जनरेट हो जाता है। नेक्स्ट टाइम ऑनवर्ड्स मैं इतनी हम लोगों को, आप लोगों को विनंती करूंगा कि हम लोग जब खड़े होते हैं 1 मिनट का या 2 मिनट्स का प्रेजेंटेशन देने के लिए, हर एक व्यक्ति जब भी प्रेजेंटेशन देता है ना तो उसके बाद में एक राउंड ऑफ एप्लॉज होना जरूरी है। हम लोग उसमें कंजूसी क्यों करते हैं मुझे वो समझ में नहीं आता है। देखो ये चीज है ना, हमको सिर्फ 12 महीने में 12 बार मिलती है और ये हमने खो दिया तो फिर हम किसी को दोष नहीं देना चाहिए कि हमें इस पर्टिकुलर फोरम से बिजनेस नहीं आता है। ओके, सो लेट अस हैव अ मीटिंग इन अ स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे, एवरीवन ट्राई टू स्टिक टू द टाइम लिमिट। घंटी एकदम टाइम पे बजनी चाहिए, घंटी बजाने वाले ने भी टाइम पे बजानी चाहिए, बराबर है। एंड स्पेसिफिक आस्क एंड गिव्स, प्लीज नेक्स्ट टाइम के लिए तैयार कीजिए। स्पेसिफिक होना चाहिए बिल्कुल, मुझे ये व्यक्ति से मिलना है। सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया में, स्टेट डिपार्टमेंट में कोई आनंद पाटिल का आदमी है, उसको अगर कोई देखिए ये दुनिया बहुत छोटी है, अगर ऐसे देखने जाए इतने आदमी लोगों में कुछ ना कुछ कनेक्ट तो जरूर निकल जाए। आप मुझे एक बात बताइए, अगर देवेंद्र फडणवीस को मिलना है तो आपको बेस्ट कनेक्ट कौन रहेगा? कौन रहेगा? एकनाथ शिंदे? नहीं, एकदम छोटा जो कार्यकर्ता है ना, वो छोटा कार्यकर्ता को देवेंद्र फडणवीस तक लेके जा सकता है। आपको सही में ये ज्यादा सोचना है कि आपका जो आस्क है उस तक पहुंचने के लिए आपको रिलेटेड आस्क कौन सा मांगना चाहिए, वो भी हमारा स्टडी होना चाहिए, तभी हम लोगों को सक्सेस मिलेगी। सॉरी आज ज्यादा ज्ञान बांट दिया है आप सब लोगों से, आप सब लोगों में उम्र में छोटा हूँ, साइन कर लीजिएगा प्लीज।
Hello. Achha, you had another thing. One of our members is absent today, Premier Member Mr. Noor Muhammad. He generated business of 3,50,000 from one of our guests, that is Amin Mehta. She came first meeting, October 23 का मीटिंग में आई थी। She is इंटरनेट डिजाइनर, उनसे उनको बिजनेस मिला till date 3,50,000. Actually, he told me he will come today. He is a premium member. पता नहीं he may be out of Mumbai. So he just sent me the message 3,50,000 का business हुआ है. This is a good thing. It's a highest business. Wow. Good. And second thing, we given business to Sharon Patole. She is our premium member for IBP and IBP News. दोनों का trademark registration के लिए we paid 31,500.
वाह,
ठीक है ना?
वेरी गुड।
हो गया।
I think I was not there for the whole month. I was abroad. So I think before that, Nikita had bought for me and Mrs. Rup Lakhani. She is my regular, okay? So thank you so much, Mrs. Rup Lakhani. I had to say that. That's why I forgot about it. Thank you. And yes, of course, I'm going to give some work to Urvashi. That is Sonia's daughter. Yeah. Thank you.
And the artwork, na? That's good.
I just one more thing. Because actually, I and my sister we are also into some other businesses also. So we had a specific ask. So we had spoke to Subrato. He immediately connected to that person, and I think on Monday maybe we will be having open. Yeah. So that the ask was for the particular bank of HDFC. And we had whether to meet a business, we had the loan department, head of the loan department, or to the MD of the HDFC bank. Yeah, he's like we needed both the connection. So yeah, so he helped us out. So on Monday he has given us the appointment. Hopefully we close the yeah, he will give the appointment. So we are hoping for to close the deal very soon if we get the appointment. So thank you, Subrata, for helping.
And
Stay on.
He always helps, I mean, he always calls that kuch kaam hua, kuch kaam. That is very nice of you. So thank you so much, Mr. Subrata.
Now I hand over to Vice Captain for the statistics.
Thank you, Sonia. We have too many generous souls here who love giving us connect and referrals, and that's how we can create some thank you slips. So listen to this today's statistics. Let us now have a look what has been achieved. Referral shared number today was 48. Total referral of this chapter including past meetings. Okay. Total business generated is 4,70,000. And total testimonials for today is 5. So it's a wonderful thing. We should have more.
Total chapter business 10 lakh plus. 10 lakh. 10 lakh.
Total business of this chapter, including the previous meeting, is 10,10,000. Yes, it requires a complete big applause. So over to Sonia.
Thank you, Ruth. Now I would like to.
Yeah, so just one testimonial for Anuji. So I've been buying chocolates from her. She's so sweet just because currently I'm on 0 sugars. So she has curated and like specially made chocolates for me, which are 70 plus dark, totally sugar free, and it tastes yum. I just tasted one right now. She's always been in touch with me, asking me things, what do you want, how do you like, things like that. So there is a bit of a personal attention also to her clients, I guess. She is absolutely amazing with her products. So I would definitely recommend her products to everyone over. Everyone should have it.
Dear members, I am sure each of your business could benefit from a program designed by IBP. We will organize IBP Business Networking Meets on first Friday of every month. Our next meeting will be on 5th of July, that is a Friday. So once again, thank you for being with us here this evening. And we would like to conclude our meeting with the business tip of the week. Be ambitious, get things done, keep your priorities right and your mind right and head up. So please, after this meeting, you can do networking and also go down for the snacks. Thank you.
Requesting everyone go down and the institute canteen is there. There is a snacks will be there. Okay.